Good afternoon to you all and welcome to our time capsule ceremony, the 8th time that this event has taken place. According to our plan, it is always the intention to unearth these time capsules some 14 years hence. So for this one, in 2035. Children currently studying in our pre-nursery will still be here at the end of that time and here to witness the opening. Our time capsule is NWS's way of communicating with the future. So how are we going to be able to wow the hearts of our school community in 14 years? I have some examples here to show you. So this is an example of some screen clippings from our recent KG event where the children had come dressed as their favourite character, and then one of the activities which you can actually see here is their creation of gingerbread men. You'll all remember the gingerbread story. And this is an example of an event that our children in primary school took part in, an international event called Micro Taekwondo, where teamwork was so important. And here you can see all the members of the team. Our younger students love art, and there are a significant number of examples of their artwork being included in the time capsule. And finally, to share with you, an example from a senior student who is imagining herself in 14 years' time as a successful psychologist, having studied psychology in school, a psychology degree, and established herself in this career. Thank you all.
It's been a fantastic year, and I'm hoping that 2035 is going to be more interesting. Not that the last year hasn't been, but wishing the best for everyone. Thank you.
Good afternoon and welcome to this great event. On this day, 7 years back, NWS started this concept of time capsule with a thought to preserve the present memories for future reference. On 13th August every year, we are putting some items, memories, write-ups and testimonials for major events happened during last 12 months. And this type of capsule which will be open after 14 years on same date and time. At present, mostly we preserve the data in virtual form like this, computers, laptops, and there is always a chance that they may not work or damage at a later date. So this time capsule concept is to preserve the items in physical form also, so that after a gap of 14 years we can cherish the memories. I'm sure the last 12 months have not been very good for us. Everyone has been affected psychologically, physically, financially, but yes, we have learned a lot of good things. All these memories are being put in this box, and sure then that after 14 years we will open it, we will cherish these memories. I wish all of you a very good health and happiness, so that after 14 years we all assemble this and be a witness to this event. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. Actually, I am a visitor to the school, and it is I am very happy to be part of the time capsule burial ceremony. It's an interesting concept, not very common in India, and I congratulate the school management and staff for doing this. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Durga Arora and I'm an ex-student of Nehru Girls School. I just recently passed class 12. So today we are gathering lots of memories and enriching experiences in this time capsule, and I hope once we open it 14 years later, it would be an amazing experience for us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I recently passed out of the school. I would like to send a hello from my 17-year-old self to my 30-year-old self in the future.
Good afternoon to all. I am very happy that this program will aware after 14 years, that is in 2035, how the technology revolution can change in school and the education. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. And through this program, I can see my present after 14 years, and I can see my present in my future only. And I wish to have a good result. We have in my backside this year's good result we have, and I wish to have this type of result every year after 14 years. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Purnima Chaudhary. I'm Public Relations Officer here. This ceremony is like every year celebrated on 13th of August, and this is a deeper understanding, and it will be like the children will be enthralled when they'll open these boxes after 14 years. Reason being, they will know what we used to like do in our present when they will be opening the boxes later on. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kanika, teacher at NWS. I just want to say that the things that we are keeping, these are not the things, these are the memories that we are keeping.
Time capsule is a good idea to preserve memories, and I am eagerly waiting to open it.
I am feeling very proud.
That after 14 years there will be a giant leap in the growth of this IT things. In the last 14-15 years we have seen a big growth in this department, and also I would expect such good results what we have got this year.
My son is admitted in this year only. He is the youngest student in the school right now, and when this open, my son is in 12th class, and I am happy when this open, and we will see what we are keeping today in this bag.
गुड आफ्टरनून, मेरा नाम रजनीश त्यागी, मैं सिक्योरिटी सुपरवाइजर पिछले 2 साल से यहाँ सेवा कर रहा हूँ। मुझे सेवा करके बहुत अच्छा लगा, और ये हमारे 2 साल बहुत चुनौतीपूर्वक निकले हैं, और मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आने वाला समय हमारा बहुत अच्छा हो। धन्यवाद।
My name is Sudhir Rana, and I work as the creative head of the school. So we survived 2020 and 2021, and I so wish that because right now this is 13th of August 2021, and CREO's last date is today, and I'm glad that we've crossed the last year numbers, and I so wish that when we'll open this 14 years later, CREO will be one known thing, not only to the nation, to the international thing. That is my so wish, and I'll work hard for that as well with my school. Thank you so much. See you in 2035. Thank you.
I'm 4 years.
Yeah.
I'm going to college.
You're going to college? That's a good plan. I hope you get to a great college and do very well there.
So 14 years hence, we look forward to our time capsule opening ceremony. I wonder how much will remain and how much will be, wow, were they really using this? Did they really do that? Let's see. To all of you, take very good care of yourselves. Sunday, the 15th of August is Independence Day. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day and look forward to seeing everyone again very soon. Thank you.